was hoping to find a babe, yeah.
Yo, it's lunchtime. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's QT and I'm addicted to TikTok. Because I'm addicted to TikTok, I am aware of the new trend that is going on that is taking over the world by storm. I forgot what country it was, but in some country there's like no feta cheese left. There's a shortage. It's wild. So I was like, before there's a shortage of feta cheese in the USA, we got to make this trend. Also, I am a cheese connoisseur. I love cheese with my whole heart. I can eat cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I have done that before. So that's where I stand on that. So today I went to Trader Joe's, got all the stuff that I needed, and now we're gonna make this simple recipe. Let's go through all the stuff I have here. I have a little camera right here, I'll show you. So first we have farfalle pasta, because I just love pasta. Then of course we have feta cheese. Like I said, I went to Trader Joe's and I got this like Greek, and then I got the organic cherry tomatoes. And I've seen some videos where people do more tomatoes than feta cheese, and it gets like a little bit too tomatoey for me, and I love cheese. Like I said, I want it to stay like really white, so I didn't get that many tomatoes. And then of course extra virgin olive oil, salt, some pepper, and I'm adding some organic crushed red peppers. Let's see, so first things first, we're gonna take the cherries out of here and I'm gonna wash them. Let me get a colander, dandy colander. Tomatoes are washed, and then I'm just gonna dump them into this. Okay, just to dump those in there. Yeah, that's not too many tomatoes. That's how I like it. I think I like it. I haven't even tried it yet. Okay, that, and then we put some olive oil. She puts like a lot in the TikTok video too, so. And then crushed red peppers. I have to open it. Oh, that was easy to open. Just gonna add a little bit of this, and then I'll put more like as a garnish, I guess, after. All right. Ooh, I love feta. Like, so good, especially on a salad, like crumbled feta. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Then I'm gonna put some more olive oil on this. I'm gonna put it in the bottle cap first, because this one pours out pretty like thick. Okay, then we're gonna put some more, I think, right? I put it on top of this. I'm stressed because my phone is recording this, so I can't even check. I think I put this on top too. We're gonna take our masterpiece and pop it into the oven. The oven was just preheated to 350, and I'm gonna put this in there for 30 minutes, which gives just enough time to crush up the garlic cloves and to make the pasta. Okay, we're gonna clear our space. Next we have our cutting board. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I forgot I need to start making the pasta. Does anyone measure the water they use for pasta, or do you just like put a bunch? We have that going. Let's open up the farfalle. Now we're gonna do the 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, so we're gonna cut off the 2 ends. Let me know if you guys like these like cooking videos or like trying TikTok recipes or something like that. I think I might make it a series, because I'm always on TikTok. I'm always seeing like cool recipes. During quarantine, I made a lot of recipes from TikTok, and I didn't film them obviously because I wasn't doing YouTube, but I can make them again or make some new ones that are trending, or maybe like trying viral TikTok hacks or something like that. Fun. You know what show I've been watching a lot? Selena and Chef, and it's so good, and it's inspiring me to cook. I, in the beginning of quarantine, was cooking so much, like all the time, every single day, a full new meal, baking, making bread, banana bread, cakes from scratch, like all this stuff I was doing. And then around like summer, I just stopped, or like maybe summer leading into fall, I just kind of fell off the bandwagon, didn't cook that much. But now after watching, I don't know if it's just like a season in my life or if it was from watching Selena and Chef, I'm inspired to cook again. I just got so serious chopping this garlic. Okay, stirring the pasta. Okay, I have a little zester. Feels like a sword. I'm like, and we're just gonna zest. Zest. All right, done with the zester. Okay, now we just wait for that to be done. I'm gonna put this to the side. The feta has 17 minutes. Let's look at it and see. It's looking good. It kind of looks the same, honestly. All right, I'll be back when the pasta's done. Great news, pasta's done, so I'm going to drain it out now. pasta's done. I kind of want to angle this down so you can see the pasta. I'm gonna put a little salt on the pasta in the strainer. I was gonna put butter, but I forgot there's so much olive oil in the pan thing that's in the oven, so no need. All right, the thing just went off, the timer just went off on the oven, so let's take it out. You know what? I think it still needs a little bit more time, so I'm gonna leave it in there for maybe, let's do like 8 more minutes, I think. Okay, so since that needs a little bit more time, I decided that I'm gonna make some chicken to put with it, like maybe on the side. I don't know if I'll incorporate it in. I'm gonna do 2 chicken fillets. Always wash your chicken. I'm going to just like cut these up in little strips, like for chunks, I don't know. I'm doing it in my Dutch oven, so I'm just gonna start this so that it starts getting hot. Just gonna season it with some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, and some Old Bay seasoning. The pasta's ready. This will be done in like 10 minutes, this chicken, so it won't take too long. And I think I might keep the cheese in there a little bit longer because it's still not brown. So I'm going to take some olive oil and just put it into my pan. I think that was like a tablespoon. Really just take my chicken and then I'm just going to take my spatula and like move it around so it doesn't get stuck together. Okay, you guys, I'm so excited. So I still have the chicken cooking over there, and I'm gonna just let it continue to cook while I do this because I want to try it without the chicken first anyways. Now I'm gonna mash it with this. Oh my goodness. Okay, lemon zest. I'm just gonna put it all over. And then same thing with the garlic. Finished product. I wish I had basil. I forgot to get, or no, I didn't forget. Well, I forgot to get it when I was in Trader Joe's, but then I went to Ralph's and they didn't have it, so. Okay, taste test time. Got my handy dandy fork. Do you want to try it?
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's my feta dream. I don't think you like feta.
What?
I don't know if you like feta.
I like fettuccine alfredo.
That's not feta. Period. That's it. All right, you guys, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was a little bit of a different video. I've been doing a lot of vlogs, and so I wanted to incorporate a little cooking video. If you like these kind of videos, let me know what else you want me to try in the comments down below. It could be baking, cooking, any of the sort. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and that's about it. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, God bless. Mwah. Bye.